And I just said before that about this system, you can go and you can check this opening from modern chess, and you can search. I'm waiting what he's going to play. Okay, we're going to play something like Catalan. You can see this system from Elyanov. It's very interesting. D3. Wow. I think this is for free. I play the Catalan, and I think this is for free. Ah, we play the Taras right now. Oh, interesting what he did. Okay, you have this obviously. It's not exactly the Taras. I'm going to develop my bishop there, but I'm going to play this first of all. This. He's a strong guy, definitely. He's playing his moves accurately and fast. Yeah, let's play a game. I'm going to play maybe this one, I don't know. Maybe we can play another game together if you like. I'm trying to enjoy myself. This is the point actually, isn't it? Try to enjoy yourself. I'm going to give the bishop pair. Rook c1, queen b6, queen b6. No, wrong. Or tactically it's okay. Maybe this is... I'm going to blunder this. No, I'm not going to blunder that. And queen a4, I can take on d4. Yeah, tactically I'm trying to defend right now and release my position. He played this one right now. So I think I developed all of my pieces nicely right now. I'm overprotecting that pawn. Yeah, this is not something that I think it's terribly bad for me. Here or there, maybe here. Yes. I'm not hanging anything. We're going to see this game. It's an interesting game. But I think everything is just fine for me. Knight c5, tactically it's not completely working. Maybe. Yeah, overprotecting this c5 square. I'm below on time. This is not good. Knight c5 should be my next move, I guess. And after knight c5 I'm going to take. He can take with the rook. I can go on b4. Knight c3 is another move actually. Okay, let's go back. I'm not going to accept the draw right now, but I'm repeating the position. I have this on my options. If I like. He has more rating. No, he don't have more rating. Okay, let's play something else. Let's play something else. Why to accept the draw here? Why? Queen a4. Okay, you capture like this. I can take with my rook or something. Okay, I can pin you, so you don't have any tricks or something. And I have maybe a little better position, right? Not right away. I'm threatening the knight. What you're going to do with the knight? You have to do something. And you cannot take that pawn. And I think I have the upper hand. It's not winning or something. Ah, wait a minute. He don't have this one. Okay, I have to be careful for my bishop. He played a nice move. Okay, let's go back. Let's go here, by the way. I need to protect the bishop. Okay. Okay, I need to protect the bishop. Alright. You're not taking this. Knight c5, b6, b6. I'm threatening bishop c2. I have this move. I can take it, but I can take this as well. Yeah, he can take something. Okay, I'm going to double a little bit his pawns. I'm threatening this and this, so I'm going to take some material here. And he has very few seconds. He's playing for the activity. Nice enough, fair enough. Okay, let's take everything. Let's take everything and we will see. Take everything. He can't really protect that pawn with this move because I have that. I'm going to give a check first of all and then I'm going to... I played the mistake. He can take now. But I have this one, I'm start pushing my pawn right now. Yeah, g3 is another move that I'm going to play. This is terrible news for me, so I have to exchange the rooks, I guess. Knight e5 is coming. I have fantastic position, not good, fantastic. My position is winning, by the way, because I have a beautiful knight. Beautiful knight there and only 19 seconds. He lost some time, okay. It was an interesting game. He is a FIDE master, by the way. FIDE master, and he played not good moves. Why FIDE masters have this rating? Only below 2300 on chess. He needs actually to play something like 2500s. This should be his strength, or even more. Wow, close to 90% accuracy, and we had a better game. I played a Catalan. This was a Catalan, and this is the cheeky move orders. Only a chicken can play like this, and they do that in order to avoid all the variations with d takes c4, the early variations to take on c4. But this is not the end of the world, and in order to play good chess, you need to go on the main lines actually. I'll be back. Okay, Eddie, thank you to be here. And now we have this. And after castling and castling, I didn't capture on c4 instantly. And the main line here is d4. Obviously, it's d4. If I'm opening the book, definitely should... Yeah, it's d4. 17,000 people played d4. A lot of cheeky breaking the center guards. What is the motive with c4 here? He played c4 because he would like me to avoid capturing that pawn. Many Slav players who playing the Slav defense, they would like to capture that pawn instantly. And we have another variation even from here. Here it's a move that we can take on c4. It's the second move, as you can see. It's not the best move. I don't really like this move as the black pieces because white can take it instantly with a queen. It's one of the variations, and the other variation is that he can play that move knight e5 and he can take this pawn back. And white is not in force actually to capture that pawn instantly. He can castle. Actually d4, what? The book stacked, right? I can understand after this. He said d4. I don't really like this move, but castling, I think it's okay. And now it's not obvious how black is going to protect that pawn, right? How are you going to do? And white's moves is this one. You're going to play knight e5. You're going to give this check on a4 if you like. You are going to play even knight to a3. And giving up this bishop, you're giving the bishop pair. Or you can play queen c2. It's not very easy for black to protect that pawn. And black usually is trying to capture that pawn to keep this one and win with his extra pawn or something. And he can do it in many other occasions. For example, I have a friend and he used to play these opening moves, and I'm going here and he just captured the pawn like this right now. The not boom variation. He would like to capture the pawn. This is the idea. And for that reason, this person here played the move c4 in order to avoid these lines maybe. Because he has other ideas. He can take it instantly, for example, or he's protecting his pieces. But now he has to play something like d4, and this is the normal line. We can take this one. White is going to play something like queen c2. He's going to take the pawn back, but he played he played d3, and this is definitely should be a mistake. Computer said here that black is tiny better, or at least I equalize the game. c5 I played this one and maybe it wasn't the best reaction because we can play the Taras defense. What else we can do? I don't know how can I open more lines here. More than one lines. This is not something good here from the computer. I'd like to see more lines, but in any case. He played d3, okay. Maybe taking, and now we can play c5 or knight a6 to go there. It's an interesting choice as well. No, this is not good. This is better for white. b3 is something like the close system. Okay, c5 is the most principal, and now he just take, and now played d4. He lost a tempo in order to achieve this one. This is like Taras, but he's a tempo down. The bishop is not out actually. I have this position with the bishop on f4. I have this position now. I'm taking there. I'm taking the pawn. I have this position with white pieces, and I can take the pawn on c5. This is the idea. But okay, I played this one, he played b3, okay, more exchanges, knight out, inaccuracy computer said, but okay. Knight e5 was very strong move, very nice. Bishop f5, he played that one, probably to play something like g4, I don't know. Queen b6, we have some exchanges, some transpositions, he played again, and now he offered the draw in move 19. It's completely ridiculous, you are FIDE master. Who is this guy, by the way? Completely ridiculous to play like that. It's a FIDE master. His peak rating is 2342, close to mine actually, and I am 1900 rating player. Okay. I don't know, it looks very strange to me what I'm doing actually, I'm doing stupid things. Very strange to me to play like this line, and we are, oh wait a minute, Zadub, as one of my friends used to say, he played that one, I avoid the draw actually, and now he has some problems. Took there, here, bishop back. Yeah, I have clearly better position now. I'm threatening the knight, and he played very nice move. This is very nice move actually, the only one, but very, very nice. Queen b6, what else to do? Because if I go here, he has something like knight here, attacking my queen and attacking the bishop. Yeah, I can play here to attack the knight, but it's complicated. Let's say I played here, queen there, some exchanges. I missed something, huh? Queen takes d4. I'm completely blind, I can take the pawn. Psychologically offering draw means they are already afraid lose halfway, it's signed. Yeah, it's losing something, but you need to fight by the way. Okay, you have little worse position and try to fight, I don't know. And this bishop on a3 was terrible positionally, it's extremely bad move, this one. Okay, we have this one, we have more like that. And now after b6, what else to do? I'm kicking the knight away. I'm expecting something like this, attacking my queen, and I'm going back. And he has to remove, to play something like this one, maybe there, maybe here. Okay, I can play knight c3, rook c3 and taking the pawn maybe. Okay. Because after this I can take here, and now it's winning or something. It's not winning. Rook a4. Whoa, none of us see this one. We just captured the pawn, the natural one, but now maybe I should keep the queens on the board, but okay, after this I have a doubt why you didn't take the knight with b pawn instead of rook takes e6. I'm not sure about that. Here, let's see this one. He just take, I just capture to have the open file, and if I just take like this, I'm closing a little bit the activity of my rook. She can play probably something like this, the rook is not playing here, maybe he has plans like that, and I wasn't sure. And by taking with the rook, I'm trying to develop my rooks as fast as possible on the D file, on the C file. For that reason, maybe I did it. And what computer is suggesting? Yeah, rook takes e6 was the best, and this is what you said. because it's okay to take feedback. It's not worse, clearly worse, but it's not the best. And bishop f4, it's okay. Black is a little better again, but maybe taking with the rook, it's a better version. Okay, we have some exchanges, and now after this, again, rook c3 is the best. And now it's a very, very critical moment, because he has some play, and I thought that I can take two of these pawns. I'm going to play very, very passively with my rook, maybe to play something like this to activate a little bit the king, and then we're going to see, because with this construction, maybe if I just capture both of the pawns, I'll have the b pawn, and with my rook, in the great future, he will put his rook here. He cannot increase the pressure because I have the d5 pawn, so he cannot go forward with his bishop, and then I'm going to put my rook on b2 and start pushing my own pawn. And I'm trying to create some attacking ideas with my pawn and rook, something like this. Yeah, solid, okay. I just captured, he played this one. This is another bad mistake. How much time? He has 26 seconds, and he played this in 4 seconds actually. Okay, what to do? What to do? Maybe this one to capture this, but I'm clearly better here, okay. I'm clearly better, and I played like a stupid guy, because I give this check and I thought that it was nice to to check his king, but after this I helped him to capture my pawn. Okay, we can just exchange there, and now he's completely winning because I have better knights. Well, okay, so maybe it's all for today. I'm going to make a break, I think. Every day, not every day, Tuesday and Thursday I'm streaming, and right now I found another tournament on chess.com. I don't know exactly what time it could be. It's not Arena, I think, or something. On Wednesday they had a very nice tournament for streamers, and anyone can play, so you are very welcome to come again tomorrow here. I'm going to stream and I'm going to play to have some fun. The tournament will last for 2 hours. It will be nice. So thank you very much, and all the best.
If you like this video, you're very welcome to follow me on Twitch, live streamings every Tuesday and Thursday, 1900 Greek time. Be there.